Update weather in my village Creek, Rawlakot, Azad, Kashmir. Today is Sunday and today is March 16. Time check Pakistan time is 12:15 noon. Alhamdulillah, today is 15 days of Ramadan fasting. Days, hours, and time flies very fast. Kailan lang yung nag-start yung Ramadan? Now, 15 days Ramadan na. So, Alhamdulillah, 15 days more then we will celebrate Eid. Ayan, ang ganda ng weather. It's a pleasant day. As you can see the sky, the clouds. As you can see over there, that is snow, but far from my place. But here in my place, no more snow, just rain. Before yesterday, it was raining yesterday. And 2 days ago, it was raining also, hailstorm. Yan, ang ganda ng weather. It's a pleasant day. It's cold. It's still cold here in my village, Creek, Rawlakot, Azad, Kashmir. Ayan, yung nakikita nyo yung mga kambing dyan, andun yung mga kambing namin sa baba. Tinali doon nilakay. Yan. And Alhamdulillah, today is my special day. And it's my 59th birthday today. Alhamdulillah, I reached this age. So now I'm now a senior now ako, senior citizen. So ayan, tumatanda na, 59 years old. But alhamdulillah, ano pa rin, masigla pa rin, active pa rin. Now we'll cut chicken. I'm going to make today biryani for 15 days Ramadan fasting. Because today is my special day. Even it's not my special day, so must be we have to cook for our dinner because we are fasting. So now we have to cut now and then I will cook after 2 hours because still time check, I think 1 p.m. So this is the way I cut chicken. Pag sa Rawlakot, ano na nakat na ito. Kaya lang dito lang sa ano, may dukan dito, may shop dito ng ano ng mga chicken. Kaya whole talaga. Ano, whole na chicken. Tinanggalan na yung balat. Pero pag sa Rawlakot City sa bazaar, ano na slice na, hugasan na lang. Siguro ano ito, 1.5 kilogram kasi medyo maliit itong ano chicken. Ayan, ito yung aking gagamitin na sibuyas. Oh, tingnan nyo. Samantalang dyan sa atin sa Pilipinas, tipid ang paggamit ng sibuyas. Dito marami talaga ang paggamit ng bawang, sibuyas, kamatis. These are all ingredients of chicken biryani. Of course, chicken, I think this is 1.5 kilogram, and tomatoes, onions, ginger, cabbage as toppings, also these tomatoes, also toppings this one, then potatoes, lemon, G1 garlic, bulb of G1 garlic. This is optional if you want to put, it's no problem. If you don't have, then no. If you have, then no problem. And garlics. And this is masala o biryani, Bombay masala. And of course, rice. So I have to cook maybe 1 kilogram or 1.5 kilogram of basmati rice. Let's start now saute first onions. Slices of onions. Now next we put now this minced garlics, organic garlics. Now we put now ginger. And then potatoes, optional. Then tomatoes, green chilies. Now leave for 5 minutes. Now salt. 3.5 teaspoons. Now tomatoes is almost paste. Now it's time to put now this chicken. Now we can put now this biryani masala. 1 packet of biryani masala. Already put water, enough water for this biryani. Water is already boiled. Now we have to put now this rice. So must be we have to put enough water. Now we have to cover it. Now we'll put now this lemon and G1 garlics, bulb of G1 garlic, optional. Water is almost finished. So almost finish this water, so we have to wait until this water finish. Now we'll check. So we can put now these toppings, cabbage, slices of cabbage, grated cabbage. And then we can put also slices of tomatoes. So our dinner is ready for 15 Ramadan fasting. Alhamdulillah. Ready na ang aming dinner for 15 days Ramadan fasting. Chicken, potatoes, biryani toppings with grated cabbage, tomatoes, and coriander leaves. My simple fruit chat. My oranges, my apples with melon, guavas, bananas, and grapes.